Jai Hind students, today we are going to discuss part A, Statistics, Chapter 6, Measures of Dispersion, Standard Deviation, Part 4 video. So look into the question, a model question that is from the following table of marks obtained by two students, Ram and Lakshman, in tests of 100 marks each. Find out who is more intelligent and who is more consistent. So the marks scored by the two students have been written here. So we have to find who is more intelligent and more consistent. So we have to find individually the standard deviation. Then we have to find its coefficient. Then only we will be getting a final answer of the question. So first we have to find who is more intelligent. So for that we have to first add these and divide it by number of items. So we will be getting the answer for more intelligent. That is by finding average only we can find it. So by finding mean we can find that who is more intelligent. Is it Ram or it's a Lakshman? So let's see. So we can see that first we have to find which one, x bar. X bar equal to sigma x by n. So equal to 440 by 10 it will come, so equal to 44. So the total of this divided by the n, that is number of values. The number of values have been 10. So 440 divided by 10 equal to 44. So next you have to subtract each x value from x bar. Then write. So 25 minus 44 it's minus 19. 50 minus 44 6. Then 45 minus 44 it's 1. 30 minus 44 it's minus 14. So like that it goes 26 minus 2 minus 8 4 minus 10 and 16. So next as per the formula we need x minus x bar the whole square to find a standard deviation. So square the values, then you will be getting 361, 36, 1, 196, 676, 4, 64, 16, 100, 256. The total is 1710. So next we can apply to the formula. So what's the formula for standard deviation? Is equal to root of x minus x bar the whole square divided by n. So that's equal to root of 1710 that we had found divided by the n, that's 10. So it's equal to root of 171. So the answer will be root of 171 is 13.08. So next we have to find this coefficient of variation or coefficient of standard deviation. So what's the formula? Is equal to SD divided by mean into 100. So we have to find using this formula, then only we can find the consistency of the two students. So the formula is SD divided by mean into 100. So what's the answer? 13.08 divided by the mean, that is x bar. So it's a 44 into 100. So it's equal to 29.73% it will come. So next we have to find the Lakshman's data. Then only we can conclude that who is more intelligent and who is more consistent. So next student we are going to see Lakshman. So his marks are given. Then x minus, we have to find the standard deviation first. For that we have to find x bar first. So x bar equal to sigma x by n, as you know. So it's equal to the sigma x, that is the value of the marks of Lakshman. So its the total is 530 divided by number of values. So it's a 10. So equal to 53 is the answer. So standard deviation is equal to root of x minus x bar the whole square divided by n. So it's equal to we have to find first the x minus x bar column. So we will be getting we have to subtract this x bar from each x values. Then we will be getting this x minus x bar as a minus 43, 17, minus 3, minus 33, 42, 2, minus 11, 7, minus 5, 27. So we have to find the x minus x bar square to find the standard deviation. So it's 1849. So next 289, next 9, next 1089, next 1764, then 4, then 121, then 49, then 25, then 729. So the total of this is 5928. So we have to find the values. We can find the standard deviation using any other formula also, as it is individual series. So we are taking individually the 2%. So we can use any formulas. So you want to use the assumed mean or shortcut method, that also you can use. So you can use any formula. So I am just taking the direct method formula. What is that? X minus x bar the whole square. So we had found the total of this x minus x bar the whole square. So we are finding the root. So root of 5928 divided by 10. So equal to root of 592.8. So the root is 24.35. So now for finding the more consistency, we have to find the coefficient of variation. So it's equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. So this Lakshman's coefficient of variation we are finding as 24.35 divided by this 53 into 100. So we will be getting 45.94%. So as per the question, we have to find the two things, that is who is more consistent and who is more intelligent. So for finding the intelligence, we are, as we already had we are looking into our own marks as the total number of marks, that is how many marks we are got the total divided by the number of subjects and taking the average. So the similar way we have taken the averages of Rams and Lakshman, that is the total of their marks and divided by the number of subjects. So we can say that by seeing the average of Lakshman, he is having 53. So he is more intelligent than Ram. So regarding the consistency, so we have to study what is consistency. So a series with more coefficient of variation is regarded as less consistent or less stable than a series with less coefficient of variation. So if a series is having less coefficient of variation, he is considered as, the particular series is considered as more consistent. So here we can see that Rams, that is it is lasting, it is lasting forever. So we can say that it is stable. So it is lasting forever, we can say that. So here we can say Ram's coefficient of variation is less comparative to Lakshman's. So we can say that Ram is more consistent than Lakshman. So the two answers we had found from the question is correct. Comment 1. Lakshman is more intelligent as his average is more than that of Ram, and since coefficient of variation is less in the case of Ram, he is more consistent. So how to find consistency, that is written here as note. A series with more coefficient of variation is regarded as less consistent or less stable than a series with a less coefficient of variation. On the other hand, the series of which coefficient of variation is less is said to be more consistent. Hope you understood. Thank you, students. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you.